Question of the day 34. Let's break the answer for this question. What configuration will create impact to copy text source from delivery to billing document? Let's break the answer today. So delivery type, this is wrong answer. Customer text, again wrong answer. Access sequence, no chance. Material type, nowhere related. Text determination procedure, this is the right answer as of now. Sales are wrong answer. All of the above wrong answer. So answer is E. Okay, if you really like this video, if you would like to get more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. This is my uh, Udemy forum, dedicated forum. Currently I'm holding different courses. If you really want, you can try this. I'm just particularly recommend these two courses: getting master to write functional specification, and second one is for idocs. If you already trained, if you really wanted to have the depth knowledge of SAP SD, you can try this course. Okay, this is 112 hours, 422 lectures. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Okay. Thank you. Jai Bharat.